Yes, you have it all. You are rich and famous. However, you feel miserable and lonely. Your heart is in tears. What's the sense to have all the money in the world if you can't enjoy it? Nothing makes sense. Despair, sick of it, anguish, fear. This is a wake-up call. Here and now. Jump off the cliff. Blow up your emotions. Explode the fears. And build your new self. The awakening at last to a new reality is an immediate experience, and it happens right here. Just do it. Reading books? No. Following someone? Neither. It is doing what's gotta be done to be born again. Search into your darkness to enter into your own light. It is isolating from the whole world, separating from everything and everybody. Actually, on your way to hell, passing through adversity, through difficulties, through the fire, through the intense pain and hurt and the suffering of a very long eternity, it is clear that we are made to succeed. That every event happening to us prepares you to become a giant, to awake the titan slept within each one of us. Here I am at El Jardín del Edén to accompany you to your awakening at last. Here you will live and feel experiences of life, passing you through, number one, a process of liberation and empowerment. Number two, explanation of the design of the matrix of life, the laws governing the human here on earth, the design and functioning of human life, the design of adversity, and the ups and downs, so you can flow into the river of life. We review where we come from, where we are, what we are here for, where we are heading to, and how everything works in the whole. Number three, confronting fears through extreme sports, encapsulating the sensation of emptiness, danger, and uncertainty to enter into the nothing, into the whole, into the subconscious, into the astral, so you can feel and see what was, what is, and what will be of our life. Number four, activation of all the cells in your body through massages, reflexology, acupuncture, hydrotherapy, and cryotherapy. Number five, and finally our master, darkness. Total isolation from everything. No distractions, no cell phone, no food, no nothing, to enter into the light of the ascended masters, so we can review our past life, observing our past, understanding our present, and visualizing our future. Transcend then to infinity to bring instructions from the masters to help us walk towards our best version of ourselves. I am Rico, your guide and mentor. I myself went down to hell and came back. I will take you by the hand, step by step, to your home, to sit you in front of the fireplace, near the fire and its heat, to feel well and be at peace. In summary, it is a process of cleaning and purification, liberation and empowerment, expressing ourselves through the experimentation of life, to integrate these experiences into transcendence. So the magic of the divine love allows us our transformation. And finally, you have arrived to feel yourself free and clear.